And so the adventure begins. How you feeling, big boy?
I'm feeling like $1 million.
Woo! This is the mystery dice. Whatever lands on, we gotta do by this bridge. Hopefully it doesn't roll off the bridge, that would suck. Oh, oh. Ooh. 15 extra, I forgot the name, jumping jacks. And 6, 17, 15. Yeah, get that thing out of here. Conquer life! The truth!
So there's life and death. You're all part of the cycle. You cannot resist what life has in store. So the best thing to do is to live infinitely in each moment.